Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, we will learn how to refund a posted down payment invoice or a bill in Axanta ERP. Now, for this demonstration, we have already created a confirmed sale order where the status of the sale order is in locked and the total sale order value is 1000 KD. And here, as you can see, there are two down payments that has been created. The first down payment is of 15%, that is 150 KD, and the second down payment is of 60%, that is 600 KD. And here, as you can see, that there are two invoices that has been created for those two down payments. One is of 150 KD and the second invoice is of 600 KD, and both the invoices are posted and paid. Now, let's assume that the customer informs us that he no longer wants this 60% down payment invoice and instead he wants a 75% down payment invoice. So here, if you will notice on this invoice that there is no direct cancel button available. If in case you have this cancel option visible, so in that case you can directly click on cancel and you can cancel the invoice. But here in this case we don't have this cancel button visible. So now, in order to cancel this 60% down payment invoice, first we need to unreconcile the payment and cancel the payment as well. So now, in order to unreconcile the payment, we shall click here on this icon and we shall click on unreconcile button. So here, as you can see, that the payment has been unreconciled against this invoice. Now once we have unreconciled the payment, we need to cancel the payment as well. So here on the payment, if you will see, there is an option of reset to draft. Now in situation where you're not allowed to reset to draft the payment, so in that case you need to create a return for the payment. Now once the payment is unreconciled and cancelled, we can proceed to refund the invoice. So to create a refund, we need to click on this add credit note button. Then here we need to click on full refund. Here if you want, you can enter the reason as well. Then here in the reversal date, you can either select a specific date. So here in the refund date, whatever date you will select, on that date the impact of the return will take place, or you have the option to select the journal entry date. So this is the date on which the invoice was posted. So if you will select this journal entry date option, the credit note will be posted on the same date on which the invoice was posted. So now we shall click on this reverse button. So here, as you can see, the return invoice has been created, and here you can see that this is the reversal of this invoice, and here it is also marked as paid as both the invoices has been reconciled. So here, as you can see, this is the invoice that has been reversed. So here the payment status is showing as reversed, and this is the refund invoice that has been created, where the status is posted and the payment status is paid. Now once we have posted the credit note, then here on the sale order, first we need to unlock the sale order. Then here on the down payment line of 60% invoice, here we need to enter it as 0, and here we need to save this. And now we shall click on create invoice, and now we'll create the down payment invoice of 75% which the customer wants, and here we'll click on create and view invoice. So here, as you can see, this draft invoice of 750 KD of 75% down payment has been created, which is in the draft status. And now once you will click on confirm, the invoice will get posted, and now you can register the payment. So here, as you can see, that a down payment line of 750 KD, that is 75%, has been created on this sale order. So this is how you can create a refund of the posted down payment invoice in Axanta ERP.